Research has found that the frequency of responses is 14 times greater during lessons that use mini whiteboards compared to lessons that only use hand raising. This increased participation resulted in improved performance, with students going on to do much better in subsequent tests. More recently, a comprehensive review of several studies has shown that mini whiteboards not only improve participation rates and test and quiz scores, but they also reduce off-task disruptive behaviour. These benefits were replicated in different age groups and across different subjects.
So if that's the research on mini whiteboards, what does this look like in action? Best practice for using them includes 1. Planning questions in advance, 2. Having clear routines for students, 3. Responding to the information presented.
So if you're looking for more resources like this that are
Useful,
research-based
and easy to use,
then go to the Teacher CPD Academy now.